from electricity lesson. The SI unit of electric energy. The SI unit of electric energy, kilowatt hour. SI unit of electric energy, kWh, kilowatt hour. Next, SI unit of current is ampere. SI unit of current is ampere or capital A. How does the electricity flow in electric circuit? How does the electricity flow in electric circuit? The answer, by flow of electrons. By flow of electrons is the answer for electricity flow in electric circuit. Which device converts chemical energy into electrical energy? Which device converts chemical energy into electrical energy? The answer is cell. For example, if you are asked to define a cell, you can define like a device which can convert chemical energy into electrical energy is called electric cell. SI unit of potential difference, volt. SI unit of potential difference is volt. Next, VI graph is linear. What does it mean? If VI graph is linear, what does it mean? Means no change in temperature. No change in temperature is the answer. For example, if VI graph is linear, that also means it is a ohmic conductors. Ohmic conductors. For example, non-ohmic conductors, it is a non-linear graph. That is a curved line graph. Next, what substance resistance not change by increasing temperature? For what substance resistance does not change by increasing of the temperature? The answer is nichrome. The answer is nichrome. Next, and also nichrome is used in the electric heater because at high temperature do not burn or do not oxidize. At the high temperature it does not burn or does not oxidize. That's why it is used as a electric heater. And next, dash controls the magnetic of current. Dash controls the magnitude of current. The answer is resistance. Resistance controls the magnitude of current. Next, the device to change the resistance of current. The device change the resistance of current is rheostat. Copper and aluminum wires are used for electricity transmission. Why? What is the reason for using copper and aluminum wires as electricity transmission? Because copper and aluminum wires possess low resistivity. The answer is low resistivity. Copper and aluminum wires having low resistivity. That's why copper and aluminum wires are used to transfer electricity. Next, why tungsten used as a filament? Why tungsten used as a filament? The answer is high resistivity, high melting point. For tungsten metal having high resistivity, high melting point. Next, how is voltmeter connected in the circuit? Voltmeter is connected in the circuit in parallel. Voltmeter parallel, ammeter series. Next, bread toasters are iron boxes made with alloys. What is the reason? Not with pure metals but made with alloys. What is the reason? Due to high resistivity and high melting point, and also do not oxidize. That means do not burn readily at high temperature. At the high temperature, they do not oxidize. That means they do not burn. So the bread toasters and iron boxes made with alloys rather than the direct metals, because due to high resistivity, high melting point, and third point, do not oxidize readily at high temperature. Next, definition of unit of current. It's an indirect question. Definition of unit of current. We know unit of current is ampere. So we are asked definition of unit of current, that is ampere. What is ampere? So first of all, formula 1 coulomb by 1 second. 1 coulomb by 1 second. Ampere is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. That is current I is equal to charge by time. Charge means Q, time means T. I is equal to Q by T. So based on this formula, we can easily define what is ampere. So when 1 coulomb of charge, flows through a conductor in 1 second, 1 coulomb of charge flows through a conductor in 1 second, then the current is 1 ampere. This is the definition of ampere. Next, dash devices helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor. So dash devices helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor. Answer is cell or battery. So cell or battery are the devices that helps to maintain potential difference across the conductor. Potential difference means potential difference units volts. So don't put volts. Here we are asked the devices helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor. So conductor అటు ఇటు potential difference మెయింటైన్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే సెల్ ఆర్ బ్యాటరీస్. నెక్స్ట్, ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ రెసిస్టెన్స్. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ రెసిస్టెన్స్. One is area of cross section A, length L, temperature and nature. Area of cross section A, length L, temperature T and nature of the material. So these are the factors depend on the resistance. Next, ohmic conductors. Ohmic conductors means substances which obey Ohm's law. Substances which obey Ohm's law are called ohmic conductors. Examples, metals. Ohmic conductors examples, metals. Non-ohmic conductors examples, non-metals. So now we can define non-ohmic conductors. The substances which do not obey Ohm's law. The substances which do not obey Ohm's law are called non-ohmic conductors. Example, non-metals. Dash device is used to measure current. Current is measured by ammeter. Next, dash device is to measure potential difference. Dash device is to measure potential difference is voltmeter. Voltmeter connected in parallel, ammeter connected in series in a circuit. Next, SI unit of electric charge 1 coulomb. SI unit of electric charge Q is 1 coulomb. So 1 coulomb value 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. Next question, why does the bulb glow immediately after switching on? Why does the bulb glow immediately? It is due to electric field makes the electric current to set up throughout the conductor when switch is on. The simple answer is due to electric field. Due to electric field makes the electric current to set up the throughout the conductor. Throughout the conductor, electric current is set up because electric field. Electric field వల్ల ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ సెటప్ అవుతుంది ఎక్కడ, త్రూ అవుట్ ద కండక్టర్. సో దట్స్ వై bulb is glowing immediately after switching on. Next, limitations of Ohm's law. What are the limitations of Ohm's law? The first point is temperature should be constant. The first limitation of Ohm's law is temperature should be constant. Next, material should not be gaseous conductor. Material should not be a gaseous conductor. And third point is material should not be a semiconductor. Should not be gas conductor, should not be semiconductor. It is neither gaseous conductor nor semiconductor. And also temperature should be constant. These are the limitations of Ohm's law. Next, nichrome wire is used in electric heater. In electric heater, nichrome wire is used. What is the reason? The reason is because at high temperature it does not burn or oxidize. At high temperature it does not burn or oxidize. That is the reason why nichrome wire is used in electric heaters. Why birds sitting on a single live wire not get shock? Sitting a bird in a live wire not get shock. Why? Because there is no potential difference between the legs of a bird. Because there is no potential difference between the legs of a bird. Next, final question is, what are the factors depend on the resistance? What are the factors depend on the resistance? The factors are length, area of cross section, nature of the material. So based on this, R is directly proportional to L. R means resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to the length of a conductor.